The reason for what I'm about to tell you is hidden and terrifying. Trump has signed this, an executive order directing the Attorney General of the United States to prosecute flag burning. But the real reason he's doing it should absolutely terrify you. Prosecution will likely happen through these federal statutes, which makes it a crime to deface the United States flag. But the United States Supreme Court ruled in two separate decisions that burning the flag is an exercise of the First Amendment. That executive order is an unprecedented move by a president that has an immediate objective and, in my opinion, a long-term very scary objective. The short-term immediate objective is, of course, to get the Supreme Court to overturn its own decision. But the long-term objective of that executive order is what really should terrify you. Because what I think the administration is doing through that move is undermine the roots of First Amendment protection overall in preparation for new ways to squash dissent and punish criticism of the government. And I'll do a deep dive on this on my Substack, but here's the way I think it'll work. Now, the government knows very well that lower courts will dismiss the case brought on by the DOJ because lower courts are bound by Supreme Court precedent. But what the DOJ is really trying to do is appeal all the way to the Supreme Court to give the Republican majority bench an opportunity to overthrow that precedent. In fact, the DOJ could try to go directly to the Supreme Court by using a line in that law that I showed you earlier, but I can explain that a little better in my Substack. So why target flag burning? Because it offers the administration an opportunity to start dismantling protected free speech in a way that will get some Americans to cheer them on. The same way they've done in other instances, they're starting with the populist element. Framing repression of dissent as punishing unpatriotic moves ensures the support from a portion of the American population. And the distance between that and criminalizing other expressions of criticism of the government is a lot simpler and a lot faster. This is not about patriotism or about how revered the American flag is. It's about silencing those who criticize the ruling class and about criminalizing dissent.